Do you need new windows in your Holland, Pennsylvania home? Here's what you need to know before deciding between a DIY installation and hiring a replacement window company. The primary cost difference between the two installation options comes from the types of windows chosen. They can range anywhere from $300 to $3,000 each. A professional will have labor fees, but the trade-off is knowing the job was done right. A Bucks County replacement window company will have access to a larger selection of windows than the local big box retailer. They can often get discounts, making premium windows more affordable than those cookie-cutter options. As a novice, you likely don't have the experience or knowledge to provide yourself with outstanding workmanship, but a professional installs windows daily, so you'll get a high-quality installation that lasts. When you complete a DIY installation, you'll likely void any manufacturer's warranty, and you won't be eligible for a workmanship warranty because you did the job yourself. When you hire a window installation company, you'll get both types of warranties. For window installations done right in Holland, Pennsylvania, turn to Rosenello's Windows. Call us at 215-244-3993 to schedule a free estimate.